Hello everyone. Today we are going to review this book of Vinod Publications. Its name is Education, Society, Curriculum and Learners. It's ETD first year JK Bose book of Jammu and Kashmir. So let's review it. It's as per the new syllabus pattern. It's in Hindi medium. It's an Hindi medium book of the Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted educational publishing firm of India, and it's a bestseller book also as per their also books of Vinod Publications. The poster of this book is also very well designed. You can check this. So let's review this book. Unit 1 contents are given first of all, like unit wise. First unit exploring and inquiring into the nature and need of education in human societies. Topics are mentioned in both English and Hindi, so that any viewer who will find it easy to understand in English can also read it, and who wants to read it in Hindi can also read it. Then second topic, relationship between schooling and education. You can check. Other subtopics are given. Then other topics, schooling and education as visualized by different Western and Indian thinkers. Subtopics are given. Then understanding in the basic consumptions of human nature and all subtopics are given. You can check them out. So many subtopics are given, and then you can go to the next page. Unit 2, prominent characteristics of education in India during colonial rule. Page numbers are also mentioned in every unit, so you can go to that particular page number and check them out. Languages of both are given, English and Hindi. So next topic, Indians contemporary education. Next topic, role of education in reproducing dominance and challenging marginalization, and so on. Next topic, political nature of education. Then teacher and society. Then unit 3, learning concept and nature, learning knowledge and skills, different ways of learning. Then meaning and teaching and its relationship with learning and teacher. Then socialization and learning. Then learner in context, situating learner in the social, political and cultural context. Then construction of childhood. Then unit 4, which is children's construction of knowledge, and so on. So many subtopics. Then body of knowledge and child's construction of knowledge. And then bodies of knowledge, different kinds of knowledge and their validation process. Then process and criteria. Then knowledge and power representation, and then it's over. So you can check this book. There are so many things given till unit 4, and 21 topics are covered, with each topic have its own subtopics also. And so definitely contents cover everything of the syllabus, no doubt about that. The 21 topics and all are covered. Now we have to check is whether the page number which are mentioned in front of every topic are these accurate or not. For example, if I go to page 246, whether I find this topic representation of different social groups or not. So page number 246, let's check this out. You can check this easily. So you can say page 246, representation of different social groups. Another topic we can check just for our own safety. For example, we'll check from the earlier units, like from unit 1 only. We can check 85 page, aims of British education. You can check 85 page if it's there or not. Page number 85, aims of British education is completely there. So not only contents cover everything, content does cover everything, but the topics are also very well explained. Also the page numbers which are mentioned in front of every topic are very accurate. You can go to any page number and find that particular topic. So I think this book is a very good book. In the last page of book, all other books are also given. You can check them out. And the price of the book is just rupees 249.50 rupees only. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon, or you can call them directly at 9218219218, and book will be delivered to your location in just 3-4 days time. You can email them at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com, or go to their Facebook, Twitter and YouTube to check other books of this publishing firm. And you can visit their website also at www.vinodpublications.com to check out other books. Also, if you can want to purchase this book offline at any bookstore nearby your location, you can purchase it offline also. This will be a book will be available at any bookstore which has B.Ed and ETT books of this Vinod Publications. And helpline number is also, helpline email ID is also given, which is help@vinodpublications.com. If you have any complaint regarding the books, you can email at this helpline number. So buy this book online. or you can buy this book offline also at available bookstore. It's your choice. So 249.50 rupees is a very reasonable price for this book. I highly recommend this book, Education Society Curriculum and Learners of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted firm. Do definitely buy this book, highly recommendable from my side, must buy it. Thank you so much.